Hello everyone, we are back with Glen Velvet Reviews here, and I got another one of these Zenna home shower rods. If you saw in my video before, I got I think the nickel colored one. This is the stainless steel one. I got this one for my mom because I was pretty impressed with how easy it was to install at my property, that I want to install it over here for my mom. Yeah, we're still on par. So I'm going to put it up over here. Hopefully this curtain's long enough. I think it should be for standard curtains, but I don't know what goes on. Ow, what's this? This says number 8 on it. So I guess you're going to need this. I didn't see this in the nickel one. So I do, like I said, this is going to be a little bit different than the nickel one. And I'm just hoping for the best right now. So alright, so ow! I guess it just clicks in here like this, and we're gonna hit this bitch in. Ready? Oh, that's it? That's it? Wait a second. Is that really it? Alright, I mean, that says it's it, which is scary. So, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. That sounds scary, but it's cool. We'll figure it out. Anyway, put on, click them together, so it wants me to click this side as well. I'm guessing this side's gonna go like this, and then this is gonna snap on here. Make sure your up, up and up go together, I think. Alright, don't remove set screws and put this thing together. So, it says put this thing together and don't remove those set screws. But I don't get it. Wait, doesn't this have a... Alright, well I removed them, so be it, because I can't get the damn thing in. So, whatever. I guess it says don't remove them because it comes with these black things that I lost already. So, that's probably why. I mean, I'm guessing. Wow, it doesn't even tell you how to get this on, even though I'm going to have to figure it out myself and take this thing off. Alright, so I'm guessing one goes on this way. Okay. One is going to go on that way. Ow! Saying crazy stuff. Alright, I'm going to wipe these clean. Then it said that should be installed on the bottom. Got it. Let me just show you the instructions, because I'm like, what am I pushing? I'm gonna, like, if it's sheetrock, are you gonna go through the sheetrock? If it's tile, am I gonna crack tile? I don't know what this even. So it's saying you can push against the wall. Like I said, this is definitely different than the other one I installed. Found a weight, 4-pound weight. This should do the job. Yep, that's it. Alright, that was me doing it by myself. Just to show you guys. Okay, so I did it by myself. And, okay. Done. Now, let's tighten the, now we gotta tighten this side, I think. This side has to get tightened by pulling that down. You guys can still see everything, right? And quite a bit of it. Yeah, you guys can see quite a bit of that. So you saw how I got that in by myself, and it worked. and you'll see how much room you can expect to see. I'll show you guys that in a minute. So I'm pretty sure you just spin this just like the other one. Alright, then it comes with 2 caps that go in there that make it look pretty. Alright, that's it. Done. That's for the installation that I'm going to do, and I can only recommend if you're going to be, you know, you want to make this simple, quick, efficient, and if, you know, you're only going to use it for one, you know, not even one. I could hang 10 curtains on here, it won't come off. But this is really tight, though. You got to feel this. Pretty good. I mean, I think it's really tight. I mean, this was what, $49.99, $10 more than the other one. It feels pretty tight. So you guys are going to come over here, see the whole setup. That's the whole setup, so you guys see. I just got to tap those on. They're really simple. All right, ready? So what I did in the other one was I brought it over, hope for the best. Good, A&A meet up, okay. A&A meetings, meet up together. Alright, so I see the little nipple thing sticking out. What I do is I align it first with the, come on, work with me, bitch. I put it on the bottom one first, and then I smash in the top, and I've been having luck with that. Bam, see? Got it. It's, I know, they're a little loose. It's not what I thought. I thought it was going to have it tight. I thought it was going to have like a tight fitting. But this is really loose, so I thought maybe they would, they could have made it tight by putting either a piece of plastic in the shape of a V, or even rubber in the shape of a V, and then when it fell in, it fell into the V, you know what I mean, and it would make it tight, or maybe something, because I've seen them use that, you know, kind of technology. Alright, that's the full installation, now we're totally done. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below, I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures as I try to put up stuff to help out the community, just like I get help from the community. Well, I appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Everyone be safe. Oh my god, I almost fell on my head. Everyone be safe. I'm out. Alright, so that's the, sorry, I know I said bye-bye and everything. That's the I wanted to show you full thing, alright? That's the finished product, so you see what's up and what, it doesn't look too bad. She's gonna get the extra space, and if you're into it, look, it doesn't stick out too far in her bathroom, so it kind of works. Let's check out the inside. Let's step on the inside of the shower, and we'll see the room that we get. Alright, so we got, that's kind of how it looks in there. Let's tilt this up a little bit. Yeah, there's room. There's a lot of room. A lot of room in here, just to show you. I mean, oh my god, look at this. Literally, she could probably have like 3 arm lengths out in here. That's how wide it is for her. We're little people, so, you know what I mean? Like, if you're 6 foot tall, you're not going to have the same kind of space that we do. So we're only 5 foot something, so we have a lot of space when we have things. Alright guys, I'm out really. Bye-bye.